Okay, so we're looking at a series of 5 questions, sometimes on the same topic, might be different topics. We're looking at questions I'm calling medium, so about half the kids get it right. So have a look at this question, and when you're ready, come back. Have a go at it, and when you're ready, come back. Okay, so in this particular question, we've got 2 triangles, and it's a calculated question, and you have to remember that the area of a triangle is base times height over 2. So again, you've got a calculator, and I forgot to bring my calculator with me, but there's 2 shapes. So area 1 equals the height is 20, the base is 63, and divide by 2, and so that is an easy one, that's 630, so straight away that answer's rubbish. Okay, area 2, the bottom shape, is going to be base times height, so 16 times 63 over 2. Again, I haven't got my calculator with me, so it's 8 times 63, 8 3 is a 24, carry 2, 8 6 is a 48, and 2 is 50, so it's 504. So I've got 603, 630, and 504, 1134, and that's the answer. Okay. So just got to remember some basic formulas, base times height over 2. Okay, moving across. Okay, so again, it's an area question. It's not calculator, so you've got to think about strategies for, you've got a square, so you've got a length and a length that are the same numbers, and we're finding the area, and so we've just got to work your way through the possible answers, and when you're ready, come back live. Again, it's a hard question. Only a third of the kids got it right. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so again, we've got 2 numbers that multiply to 4,000, and we've got some options. Okay, so for instance, 20 times 20 equals 400, and so 24 is not going to give you the right answer either, so it's not going to be that one. You've got to think about strategies without a calculator. So 40 times 40, 4 4 is 16. And again, we're not in the ballpark yet, so I'm going to cross that one out as well. Okay, 60 times 60, 6 6 is 36. So now we're in the ballpark, and so it's going to be that answer there. Okay, let's move across. Okay, it's another question with geometry, or areas, measurements. Got no calculator, and again, half the kids get it right. And we've got a question, so have a look at the rhombus, and it should be could be straightforward. Have a go. Okay, so you might have had a go. So we've got these numbers over here are going to relate to the triangle. So we've got a triangle there and a triangle there. So triangle 1 will be width times length over 2. Triangle 2 will be the same. And so when you add those together, you get a width and a length. Okay. And the only formula that has widths, lengths and widths are this one here. So I'm suspicious that it's going to be that one there. I've just noticed I've got the height of the triangle. It should be length on 2. That should be length on 2. So that's width length over 4, and that's going to be width length over 4. So that's going to be width length over 2. Okay, so I forgot to halve the length there. Now, the rhombus has an area of base times height. So we've got base times height is the same as the width length on 2, and there's no formula that looks like that, but if I take that across to there, I've got 2 base heights equal width length, 2 base heights equal length width. So it's that answer there. Okay, so coming across, I've got a table in the shape of a quarter circle, so that means that that angle there is going to be 90 degrees. And I've got 2 straight sides, 50-50, and I'm trying to find that distance there, and I've got a calculator. Okay, So this is going to be a calculation involving a right angle triangle, and you should remember Pythagoras. So have a go, and when you come back, we'll have a look at the question. Okay, so we've got the side opposite is the hypotenuse, so h squared equals 50 squared plus 50 squared, which is 2500 plus 2500, which is going to be 5000. And so the height equals the square root of 5000, which is going to be in the 70s. And that's the answer. Okay, I think we've got one more question to go. Okay, so again in the measurement, so we've got circumference of a circle, and it's a calculator question. And you've got to remember that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi radius, or pi d. Okay, so have a go, and when you come back, we'll have a look at the answer. Okay, so we've got 40 is the circumference, 2 times pi times the radius, and it's the radius we're trying to find. So the radius is 40 divided by 2 pi. This is 2, you got a calculator, I don't have a calculator with me, so that's going to be about 6.28. And again, 40 divided by 6 is about 6, so it's going to be that answer there. But you've got the calculator, so you should get that answer as well. Okay, and that's it. Thanks, bye.